everyone. We're going to Disneyland today. Yay! Yay! It's really cold today. 13 degrees or 11, somewhere around that. Zepooch. Okay, we stopped by 7-Eleven's train station to buy snacks. Because food in Disneyland is super duper expensive.
Yeah, but I want to try it.
Yeah, we're gonna try
I'm gonna try a lot of stuff.
Yeah, you'll
Well,
love
no,
the snacks.
No, you'll buy it. I'll try it from you. Then if I like it, I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
Ah, sige.
Let's try the churros, guys.
Yeah, if I thought it's gonna buy, I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna like it, Lily.
Wendy, try buy.
Yeah. Okay, we're now in Sunny Bay Station. Hi, Ja. We're waiting for the Disneyland Resort Line train. Yay! There's a lot of people na. 9:42. It's a Sunday, so I'm excited to see you. Hi, Mother.
Mommy, did you?
Let's go!
Non, ouais.
Ah mais là il y a des petites surprises en plus.
Ah ouais, c'est Noël. Moi, c'est 2 jours.
Wow! Oh, yeah!
She's sleeping.
Nandun sa likod.
Oh, Daddy's up there. Who is up there?
Oh, they went up na. Hi, Pooch!
Ayaw talaga napapait.
Oo nga eh. We're now in the station. Nauuna na sila. I'm just taking a video of this. There they are. Let's go see Disneyland! We are here!
Live, right?
Okay. I saw you looking. I swear. Yeah.
When's?
Ah? Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go to the tickets.
Yay! Yours! Hi!
It's here. I'm gonna put on a headband rin for simple. It's
Here.
Okay.
Ay, may umiinom na agad ng drink. The iconic Mickey Fountain.
Let's go na mga
Ang daming mga Pilipino sa paligid.
Sleeping inside.
Yeah, si Minnie Mouse sa loob.
Lily, they sell stuff toys inside.
Alright.
Getting our bags checked. Grabe, bawal step talaga binibideo ko ah. Yeah, yes, I'm sorry. Tomorrow pa nakaschedule yung train, Lily. Okay, let's take a picture. We are inside and it's so pretty. May celebrity eh. Si Mickey Mouse. Ang technique dito ang pinagbabawal is sa gilid na lang. Ay, si Pluto nandun. Ayun no.
Oh, he's signing something.
Okay, sinabi ko yun sa inyo na pwede
Yeah.
magpa-autograph pa. May notebook ako kung gusto nyo.
Look at the person.
I know, right? It's so tall. Guys, mamaya na yung shops ah. May oras tayo para dun mamaya. Yeah. Ganda ng Christmas decor. Ah! Wow!
Dito na lang tayo para... Yes! Okay, dito lang tayo. Pwesto na kayo para...
Okay, they got beats. They got beats.
You can ride it later, maybe. If you want.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the World of Frozen muna. Hey, Mary. Ito yung EO. That's where we take pictures with characters. Oh my, this is it. World of Frozen. Let's go. Wow! We're in Arendelle. Rafa, you know when you were a baby, you used to love this movie, Frozen. Yeah, it came out the year you were born eh. Wow, ganda ng fountain. Hey everyone! We're in line for Frozen Ever After. Hi! This is gonna happen. We're gonna ride in a boat and just watch. Yeah, this is your first ever. You'll love it. Elsa is here. Oh my gosh, lumabas siya ng pintuan nung nandun kami. Matinding editing. Kaya para ma-distract. Namangha sila.
Lil, ate si Lil.
Oh, laugh and spin! Naiyak si Aunt Ness. Okay. Yeah, healing your inner child. Aya!
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. But for
We're going up to the ice palace. Now eat. Bye.
Well, sabihin mo itong bababa na tayo, ha?
Change tayo ng
Okay.
Woo!
我哋嘅旅程受到少少延誤，請坐喺船裏面。
Okay, stuck kami sa gitna ng paakyat ng palas ni Elsa. Kasi natingin daw. There's too many boats in front of us. Oh, sa gitna pa talaga tayo. Kaya- Okay, so
So, ito po. Ang
Yeah.
nangyari sa amin today.
pataas na kami, tapos biglang tumigil yung boat sa gitna. Tapos pinababa kami. I think babalik na lang kami pagka okay na. Alam mo, mama, na isang araw nagka-technical difficulty rin. Isang araw.
Pero naayos naman.
留喺座位度，演藝人員將會好快地協助你。
If something goes wrong while you're in the ride, you also get a free fast pass.
Yeah, you get a free fast pass because it's not our fault. Like, it's their fault that... Okay, sige. It's their fault that, ano... We're just gonna go around World of Frozen. Oh my God. It's Anna and Crystal. Ang cute nila! seconds
Tikit lang naman ako.
Yeah. Parang chocolate apple. So may merch din pala dito. Akala ko ano lang. Sa mga stand. Bye! Hi! Hi! Nasaan na yung kids? Ano si Lily? Ay, si Tita Pic. Ay, si... Hi, Joe! Ay, si Lily. Okay, okay. Hi! Hi!
Cinderella price there was coming to an end. Please hold on tightly.
Ikaw kanina mo ito kumakain.
Parang di nabubusog.
Grabe. You're a growing boy. Mamaya gusto ko ng churro. Na? Ng churro.
Yeah.
Oh, wala pa ko naman.
Parang wala na nga yung mahaba lang. Meron pa rin, pero ano na siya, yung may kasamang ice cream, nakakap na siya. Hindi siya yung isang mahaba lang na snack. What are we having for lunch? Pizza, meat lovers pizza.
Yan.
And the grilled chicken combo. Roasted half chicken.
Renzo, there's french fries na.
Tapos na kami ni Mama. We had baked pork chop.
Ah, okay.
That's where we ate lunch, sa Royal Bank.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically for viewing enjoyment lang to.
Wait lang. Ay, sabi ko, what's this? Oh,
Renzo, you spin it later. Oh, they're inside. Ooh.
naiyak na ako.
Aww.
Narinig ko pa lang yung nice flounder. Nice flounder niya kasi. Sino yung crab?
Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Hello, ang ganda. Wish I could be.
Ay, ang cute!
Go, Lily!
Faster! I think it was
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Lalabas siya! Umaakit si Flynn! Oh my God! Ay!
I think it has twin toys.
Ang cute! I see the light yung ano, tugtog.
So, kakaiba mag-video.
Lily!
Dire-diretso nung stop. Hindi, nakukulog talaga siya.
Ah, okay. Nahuhulog talaga.
It's meant to fall.
Ay!
Ang ganda lang siya. It's really meant to fall.
Pinapahulog talaga ni Rapunzel, ah.
Ayaw niyang paabutin sa taas.
Ah, okay. Wait natin yung dwarves. Sige. It's his turn to turn. Queen. 101. Hunchback of Notre Dame. Hi! So pretty. Oh, 这个对的。Sad siguro kapag may killing yung pila mo. Oh my God, it's Moana. Are you sure? Yeah. Si Moana. Wait, I wanna line up.
May Moana season. Matagal itong ride na rin.
7 minutes ah.
7?
Oo.
Mabilis lang.
7 or... Wait lang. Eh, baka nahalo-halo ko na.
Ang estimate ko ng Hong Kong, 500,000 na wala. Dahil sa... Hindi ba nagka-rally-rally dito?
And if you see the animal is naughty, we need to say no, no, no. Oh, look at the right hand side. It's an elephant taking a shower. He has... 太好啦，佢好似瞓着咗啊，真係唔會噴濕我哋㗎。哎呀，弊啦，呢度邊度嚟㗎？喂，大家睇下，
Oh my gosh.
隻腳好長㗎，係咩嚟㗎？係咪蜘蛛啊 ？Spider。喂，everyone like Spider-Man? You can put your hand outside if you like Spider-Man. Maybe you will become a Spider-Man. 喂，呢度仲有兩條眼鏡蛇啊，咁多位。Okay, keep quiet, don't move. 喂，唔好亂喐啊，咁多位。不過啲眼鏡蛇咧，好似冇戴眼鏡啊，應該見我哋唔到㗎。係啊，太好啦。Someone's wearing yellow. Hey, be careful. Maybe they will become banana. 佢以為你係香蕉，有把槍喺隻手度嘅。喂，小心啊，等等位，我哋都要快啲走啊！趕緊走，他有拿着槍。你們知道斑馬怎麼區分男女的嗎？不知道。Anyone knows? If you know, you raise your hand. Nobody knows. Okay, let me tell you. 離晒度啊，咁多位。喂，好健康，佢哋喺度爬樹啊！嗱，各位大小朋友千祈唔好學佢哋去爬。